Get out the spray bottle and the towel. Repeatedly clean the windows to make sure there are no dust stains. Measuring the length and width of a window. Write down the measured data. The width of the film corresponds to the width of the window. The length of the membrane corresponds to the length of the window. Cut window film to window size. Please leave extra 0.2 lnch length when cutting. This label comes with the product. Red and green labels are attached at a 45 degrees angle. Pinch tab to separate backing film. Spray water on this side of the window film. The backing film can be thrown away. Spray large amounts of water on the back of the glass and window film. Use a scraper to completely scrape out air bubbles and water. Only when you scrape out the air bubbles will you be able to stick it firmly. Use a knife to cut off excess window film. Finally, wipe the water off with the towel.